Imagine your auto shop running itself. No chaos, just smooth, flawless operations. Welcome to the future in Colorado Springs. What if AI could revolutionize your marketing and management? Picture this: smart ads targeting just the right customers, instant appointment bookings via AI chatbots 24/7. Sales skyrocket while you focus on fixing cars. Sounds like a dream? It's happening now with America's Best Shop's AI-powered system. Traditional shops waste hours juggling schedules, inventory, and marketing. But why struggle when AI can automate all that? Think about the customers, loyalty programs customized by AI, sending personalized offers that keep them returning. Your shop becomes the go-to place, not just another mechanic. And here's the mind-blowing twist. This isn't just tech, it's a game changer for your bottom line. Shops embracing AI report up to 40% growth in months. Imagine transforming every visitor into a loyal client seamlessly. Don't get left behind while others speed ahead. The revolution is here in Colorado Springs, waiting for you to take the wheel. Ready to turbocharge your shop with AI power? What's stopping you from leading the pack? Your future customers are already searching for the smartest shop in town. Will it be yours?